Shut up, Mom! Shut up, Mom! Shut up! Shut the fuck up!
To all my gay viewers, I have a surprise for you all. In the testing chamber here. So, Dr. Trayaurus! What are you doing? What? I told you not to be homophobic today! Dr. Trayaurus! What are you doing? No, we can't burn the gays! Dr. Trayaurus! No! Where'd he go, the homophobic bastard?
Marie and Amy are ready for sleep, but Mary Ann fancies a late-night movie.
Can you get into bed, please? Well, you're not having it! So don't be stupid and get into bed! Shut up! Are you not? Yes!
But along came the Michelin Man, who reminded them the right tire changes everything.
Yeah, that hurt? That hurt?
What the hell?
Yeah, it feels so good, does it? No, huh? Yeah, that's what happens, man.
Oh my God!
Yeah, that's what happens. Where's my money? You gonna give me my money? Where's my money, man? Where's the money? Yeah, you like that? That feel good? That feel good? Where's the money, man? Where's my money?
Oh, Tom! Oh, my God! I'm calling you, Toby! I'm calling you, please! You're going in! Somebody's going to be dead by the time police get here! Get off! Get off!
See you after the break.